What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Back at it again. So you already know I'm about to bring some epic. So I got the fam coming to town. So you already know they want to try nothing but the best. They've been hearing about it. So they want the beef oxtails. They want me to smoke them. So what I'm gonna start by doing is go ahead and open them up, wash them off. So just wait while I open them up and wash them off, you guys.
Next level. Next level.
So you guys, hey, I went in the store trying to find, I was looking through the packs for days just trying to find all the packs that had the biggest ones in there. You can see these things are massive, man. Like, where you find something like this big? Like, man, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my personal, dry rub my makeup. I ain't putting no oil or nothing on them. Just go hit them with this rub. I'm gonna just let them set overnight. So we done reached 3K now. Hey, appreciate every one of y'all that subscribe. Hey, if you ain't subscribed, hey, go ahead and smash the subscribe button so you can come on, hey, see what I do daily with these cooks. So now that I just, season them up, I'm gonna put them in the bowl, man, and let them just set overnight. Should go full the bowl to the top, to the tits up. I know it is, but it's alright. Grab some foil, wrap it on up. It'll be good. Alright, I'm about to grab this foil, go on and wrap that bad boy up, put it in the fridge, man. Hey, and in the morning, we gonna go ahead and, whether it's raining or sunny, we still cooking these things. So we go see in the morning how the weather be. Hopefully it be dry, but we'll see. I'm gonna show my temp. So I got my temp up really high right now because I want to braise the oxtails at first, and then my temp will gradually come back down after these oxtails are braised. So I am gonna smoke them. I'm just gonna braise it on here first. Yeah, I got enough aluminum foil on here, you guys. Thanks for being patient with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna line them up on here. Crazy bad boy. So now we just go braise them, but all right, we'll be back flipping more. Yeah, so I'm spritzing down just a little apple juice. We're gonna leave it cold for quite a while. Then come let them get that, let them go ahead and cook. Alright, there we go. Come on out here, spritz our oxtails down, flip them over. Check this out, we're going to spritz the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and close these bad boys up. Check it out, we're gonna go ahead and put that up like that. Like so. And we're gonna pour some apple juice in it, man. See how I did that? I made that little small pouch. And I'm gonna come around and hit it with the different full, you know. Put it up like so. Right here. Come on, let's place that bad boy on here, man. Bring the next one on. This could be some good eating, bro. This is gonna be Sunday's best right here. Slide that one on from one of that shine on it, that thick one, the top one. Yeah. My itty bitty little ones. They can just go in by themselves, bro. Like that. We'll close up. So y'all, let's go ahead and take them out the foil. We'll go ahead and sauce them down. Want barbecue sauce on all of them, baby? Okay. Y'all heard it from her. Heard y'all self. Barbecue sauce on all of them. Look at that bone just coming out like this. Man. Y'all don't need to get him to fall off the crock pot like this part. Woo! Here go the big boy right here. I hope they done. They want to fall apart on me. I'm gonna have to go back and get my money back. That said, that was non-stick number 4. Reynolds, y'all, number 4 not non-stick. Last one. A little small baby. Check this out, man. I'm gonna take a sauce these thing down. So y'all know why I don't taking brush the meat. I just be dabbing the meat because I don't be trying to take the seasoning off. I'm pretty sure y'all don't pay attention to that. Like, why he be dabbing the meat like this and not just rubbing it across? Something biting you, baby?
Real hot.
Oh yeah, it is. My hand over here hot. Just left one. Let me hit these little ones. I ain't gonna forget y'all. Y'all, when you cooking, you need to talk to your meat so it know you love it. And it come out perfect for you every time. Talk to it when you cook. All right. start burning yourself out here. Y'all see that was falling all apart, man. Falling every which way. Hey, trust me, if some meat drop down, I'm diving to go get that. I'm diving to get that meat.
Next level. Next level.
Thanks you guys for tuning in to this video. Appreciate the support. Peace out.